An 18-inch dishwasher is perfect for small spaces and can be permanently installed, or it can be a portable model.
Most people opt for the permanent model, since there often isn't a strong desire to tote the family dishwasher around.
If a person is renting an apartment and is fairly certain that he or she will be moving out in a year or so, then the portable model might be a good idea.
These don't always have to be placed in apartments either. Some people just have surprisingly small kitchens.
A dishwasher measuring only 18 inches can be the best size for these compact kitchens also. The great thing about these little dishwashers is that they don't cost more for being a unique size. They can range between a few $100s to a little over $1,000.
The price will depend on the company who makes the product and what features are offered on it. The lower priced models are very basic, 7 or 8 cycles and the basic racks inside for dishes and silverware.
A high-end model might include condensation drying, flow-through water heater, suspension motor, advanced sensors to check for how dirty the wash water is, and LEDs or sounds that go off.
Doing a quick load of dishes is very simple with this dishwasher. They are easy to load, since they are so small, plus they wash and dry all on their own. This 18 inches dishwasher is also perfect for sanitizing items.
Some of these models come with a delay system, so that it won't turn on until well after the company has all gone home.
Most models offer Energy Star, so they are very efficient on power and water. This is often another reason for choosing a compact 18-inch dishwasher. The water consumption is so much less than what the large dishwashers use.
Those really aren't necessary for just a couple of people, whereas a compact model is perfect. There are even models that sit directly on top of the kitchen counter for more convenience.